Hey, welcome to Bridgehampton South. It's one of my favorite rentals in the Breitenbach Advisory exclusive collection. What's really special about this house, not only that it's an incredible renovated farmhouse at 7,000 square feet, 7 bedrooms, but you have access and also basically comes with the house is the own vineyard, which the owner owns. So it's so Hamptons. And the owner actually owns his own rosé company, Hampton Breeze, one of the best rosés in the Hamptons, hands down. Maybe we'll do a little test here. One sip, everybody knows the rules. Oh, so good. Easy 9.5. But come out, check out this reserve. And again, I say reserve, it's a vineyard, okay? So you'll have access to it. You can see he's got couches set up here. It's just an amazing rental opportunity. Like if you ever wanted to rent something and rent something unique, this is it. Check it out, breitenbachadvisory.com. Send us a message, DM, we'd love to show it.